Update Sheet Scale parameters will detect the scale of your viewports and write the full and half scale to your title blocks. If you're using normal Revit and you have different scales on your sheet, Revit will write as indicated, which is not acceptable in some projects. Also, you might have a requirement to write both the full scale as well as the half scale of your views to your sheet. For Update Sheet Scale parameters to work, you'll need a title block with 2 parameters where the scales will be written. You can write it manually yourself, but of course that would take a considerable amount of time. Instead, you go to Naviate, Sheet Manager, and Update Sheet Scale parameters, and it will go through your entire project and update the full and half scale values. If you have several different scales on the same sheet, the values might be untidy. Make sure your legend views have the correct scale as well. You can also configure the feature so that you can use your own parameters instead. Go to Naviate, Manage Project, and Parameter Configuration, where you can change the parameters to whichever you prefer.